Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Just One Tutorials. In before video we discussed about provisions chapter, arithmetic provision topic. Today we will discuss about geometric provisions in provisions. First of all, geometric provision. The sequence of non-zero numbers is called geometric provision. The numbers are said to be geometric provisions. Their common ratio should be always same. In geometric provision, an formula is an equals to a into r power n minus 1. A means first number, r means common ratio, and n means nth term, and minus 1. Okay. Example for geometric provision is 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on, etc. This is the example for geometric provision. If three numbers are in geometric provisions, the numbers are if three terms are in geometric provision, the terms are a by r, comma a, comma a into r. If three terms are in AP, the condition is b square equals to AC. If three terms are in AP, the condition is b square equals to AC. Sum of the terms formula in GB is Sn equals to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. If r is greater than 1. And next, n equals to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. If 1 is greater than r. If when r equals to 1. Okay, I understand. If r equals to 1, the formula is a into n. The last term formula is the last term equals to a by 1 minus r. Here the first term of GP is 50. A is equals to 50 and fourth term is 1350 and we want to find fifth term. So a first term equals to 50, a4 equals to 1350 and we want to find a5. a5 we don't know. First of all, we know that nth term formula n equals to a into r power n minus 1. Here n equals to, we know a value is 50. 50 into r value we don't know, r power 4 minus 1. n equals to 50 into r power 3. n equals to 50 into r. n equals to r cube. n equals to 50 into r cube. 1350. Here r cube equals to 1350 50. 0 gets cancelled, 5 ones, 5 27s. R cube equals to 27. R equals to root 27. R equals to 3. Here we find it r value. Substitute in this n formula. n equals to, a we know 50. 50 into 3 power 3 power 4. equals to 50 into 3 power 4 value 81. And n equals to 4000. A5 equals to 700. This problem is example for this formula. Okay. How many terms of GP? 3 square 3 are needed to sum of 120. Here we want to use sum formula, that is Sn equals to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. First substitute in this formula, 3 into 3 power n minus 1 by 3 minus 1 equals to 120. Sn equals to 3 into 3 power n minus 1 by 2 equals to 120. Sn equals to, here 3 power n minus 1 here into equals to 3 into 2. Sn equals to 3 power n minus 1 equals to 120 into 2 by 3. Sn equals to 3 power n minus 1 Sn equals to 82. Here bases are equal. Bases are equal means power should be always equal. So Sn equals to 3 power 4. Where bases are equal, their power should be always equal. Here Sn n is equals to 4. Here we want to find infinity. Infinity formula we know, no? S infinity equals to A by 1 minus r. Here A equals to 2. S infinity equals to 2 by 1 minus r. S infinity equals to 2 by 1 minus r by 1 by 6. S infinity equals to 2 equals to I am so sorry friends, I did wrong. 2 by 1 minus r into 6 by 1. 2 equals to 1 6 into 1 minus r. Here 2 equals to 6r minus 6. Here 6r here plus 6r. 6r equals to 6r equals to 4 and r equals to 4 by 6. 2s are 3. 2 by 3. The numbers are 2 by 3, 4 by 3, like that, so on, etc. This problem is example for infinity formula. Here we want to find geometric mean. You know no formula? C square equals to AB. C square equals to, we know A value here 5 and B value 405. C square equals to 2025. C square equals to root 45. C equals to 45 square root gets cancelled and C equals to 45. This problem is example for geometric mean. Okay. Today we discussed about these geometric provisions, and upcoming next video we will discuss about harmonic provision and more. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.